We are glad to announce that the new state-of-the-art building for Center for Excellence in Transfusion Medicine is ready to serve the humanity with its modern and effective technology. We would like to introduce you with the new building, which is going to be Advanced Transfusion Medicine Center in its true sense. Since its inception on December 6, 1981, when Srimati Leela Mulgaonkar inaugurated the blood bank, Rajkot Voluntary Blood Bank and Research Centre has served the society in major parts of Saurashtra region through mobilizing voluntary blood donations, making high-quality blood and blood components available. Rajkot Voluntary Blood Bank and Research Centre is a leading blood bank in the region that is continuously innovates its offering and services as a service provider and has always strived to be the best in technology, in equipment and in trained manpower. Dignitaries like Shri Darbari Seth, Shri Amitabh Bachchan, Lata Mangeshkar, Mother Teresa, Devanand, Dilip Kumar, Shabana Azmi, Srimati Jaya Bachchan, who is associated with Rajkot Voluntary Blood Bank and Research Centre as the chairperson of Blood Donors Movement, and the voluntary blood givers in thousands have made Rajkot Voluntary Blood Bank what it is today. New building is spread in 15,000 square feet. The entrance of the building is elegant. Let's move towards first floor. The tree of various activities of Project Life is situated here. At first floor, in Wing A, we have reception counters, waiting area and administration department. The reception is meant for requests and sample collection and issue of various blood and blood components to needy patients and other related services. The waiting lounge is embedded with cozy atmosphere for patients, relatives and blood donors where they can relax in waiting period. The air-conditioned storage for reagents and antisera is also kept in this area. While in Wing B, we have blood-giving area. Here, the system for the same is very systematic with the facilities and space for pre-donation screening, medical examination room, donor counseling room, blood donation area, blood donor refreshment area where blood donors are served with light refreshment here after blood donation. Now we are moving towards the second floor. Here in the A wing of this floor, we have laboratory for advanced red cell serology with Neo machine and component manufacturing area. On this floor and in the entire building, the interior theme is replica of red blood cells in blood vessels. Along with these modern scientific facilities, we have the offices for the medical director and trustee in the B wing of the floor. While on third floor in the Wing B, we have well-equipped thalassemia department where there is facility of genetic counseling room and thalassemia testing laboratory, while highly specialized blood component, that is single donor platelet, will harvest by a specialized platelet apheresis machine is also available here on this floor. On this floor in the Wing A, we have a multi-purpose hall for continuing medical education, workshops and various technical trainings for nursing staff, medical officers, etc. On the fourth floor of this ultra-modern blood bank, the laboratory is situated in the Wing A. This laboratory is dedicated for molecular laboratory for nucleic acid amplification testing, for transfusion transmissible infections testing. On the same floor, we have facilities of well-equipped multimedia conference hall in the Wing B, the guest house and dormitory. The facilities for the visiting guest speakers and trainers are also situated on this floor. And finally, the wide and open terrace gives you the fourth dimension view of Rajkot city. Thank you.